This is our new instant Vortex air fryer. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like in the box. Let's open it up and take a look at it. So it's a really sharp looking, all black. The controls are essentially hidden on the top unit there. It's got an angled display. It's got a very short 3-prong outlet. We'll go ahead and plug that in. When it's plugged in, you will see the display stuff up top. If you turn off the light, you can see it a little easier. All these things, though, are only there when it's plugged in. So we'll unplug it again. And it's all heads-up display on the top here. So once it's on, you got these controllers, and it's one touch. So turn it on. Set the time. Set the temp. And you're good to go. Got a cancel button. If you're going to air fry, set the temperature. Set the time. One dial, push the button, and it's off. Really cool display. Really cool use. It's got a square basket, dishwasher safe. Very cool. Hope this helps.